Hello guys, look, I wanna show you something cool. I didn't know this, maybe you know, but maybe you knew, but I didn't know that. So this is a crayons, right? I used to use them for the fabric markings, you know, when I do my upholstery. But this one is a pen, right? So it's, as you can see over here, you see it's way more sharper, and it's much easier to go around these contours, right? So check this out, you know, like a pen. It's not too visible, but you know, in a minute or something, and when it starts drying, it's gonna become like this, the white one. Okay, so as you can see, is getting whiter and whiter and whiter. Okay, so at the beginning I was kind of scared on the face do this marking because I don't want to see those markings, right? So what happened, check this out. I'm using the very low temperature. Check this. That's fucking awesome.